Pandas comparing rows with a condition. Let's say we have example data frame like below. In this DF, I am checking is there any change in fruit column row by row. With shift method rows are offsetting by 1, with fillna method nan values are filled, and lastly with ni method true-false labeling is done. So as you can check from index 1, strawberry changing to apple, it will be true. Index 2, there are no change, it will be false. My problem is, I want to check also color column. If there is a change in there, fruit underscore check column must be false default. So DF should look like this. Also, I shouldn't use for loop, because when I use with my original data, it takes too much time.
Use data frame group B.shift for shift per groups.